Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Cancer, let's see what's going on with you and what message needs to come show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, so will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Okay, Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, Knight of Cups, the Chariot, Justice, Three of Wands, the Empress in reverse, center of my spread. Ooh, Six of Pentacles, Five of Cups, King of Cups also in reverse, and the Nine of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, I have the Hierophant in reverse, Cancer. There could have been a problem in a committed relationship or regarding a commitment or regarding a marriage. I don't know. Somebody could have broken some promises, brought injustice. I think this Empress waited for a long time, but now is rather irritated. Doesn't want to now believe this person who they feel is an emotional manipulator. All they wanted was equal give and take, but all they got was regret and sorrow and delays and whatnot. So let's see why this reading is here, Cancer. Let's start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Cancer, if you need a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Let's take a few more, Cancer, from here. Cancer and that person. From what I'm feeling, it's just a delay. It doesn't seem like an ending. Let's see. Cancer. All right, good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I always look out for you because I love you unconditionally. I try and warn you about fake people with bad intentions who are out to manipulate you and use you. It cuts deep because you seem to trust everyone over me. No wonder the Empress is pissed off. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. I eventually had to let you go in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. My emotional, mental, and physical well-being became affected negatively. I'm still fighting my own inner demons where I felt that I wasn't good enough for you. And the guilt of wondering if I walked away too soon. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that, and the thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you, day and night. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. I'm stuck in my ego and pride, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed with myself. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. I'm afraid of losing you. The last one here says, I need some time to collect my thoughts. All right, so Cancer, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. Let's start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And the card I have here for you is marriage. So this marriage card actually has dual meanings. Sometimes it could mean you're in a bad commitment which you need to get out from. Like this woman is stepping out of a house, a dark house, but sometimes it can also mean that commitment is on the cards for you, Cancer. Though right now I do see things are not doing very well. The Hierophant is in reverse. Okay, so let's start your reading. Knight of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Knight of Cups in reverse. Somebody's felt the need to let go of a promise breaker. They don't want to talk to them now. They feel it's best to release this person. They always come and break my heart, never keep any promises, very immature behavior. And yes, somebody is feeling that, this is a false soulmate. This can't be my soulmate. Anybody who hurts me so much is not the kind of person I want to be interacting with now. It's best or better that I, move ahead in my own life now. I think somebody has been in isolation or pondering over the situation for a long time. And they finally, I think, could be this Empress who's decided now to stop, waiting around and drop this connection totally. Am I right, Spirit? Chariot, one more card. Yes, so some bad memories have been created in this connection now, Cancer. Whenever this Empress, I think, looks back at the past memories of how they got played, it kind of bothers them. They feel, now I know all the truth. I've been, I'm enlightened now. I know what's been going on. It's, I think, time to charge forward with my own life, because this was a very unjust kind of a connection. Yeah, it kept me stuck for so long. There was no movement. It made me feel devastated. It made me feel, like I lost, and I felt betrayed. And I did wait for a very long time, but now I'm angry with them. I'm angry, I'm bitter, I don't trust them anymore. And yes, in all this time of waiting, I've realized that I am the Empress. I'm the Empress, and I don't chase anyone. I mean, I want them, I don't need them. Right? Whatever spiritual learning I've done in all this time has actually made me realize my own worth. And realizing so, I realize that I don't want them back anymore because of what they've done to me. So, Empress in reverse, Spirit? Empress in reverse. Why is the Empress in reverse now? Because the Empress is, I think, Empress has healed. Empress has healed from this betrayal that's happened. Whatever this person did who broke a promise or didn't commit for the long term, didn't bring in that commitment or marriage offer or whatever, somebody has healed from that in a very big way. In fact, this time of isolation was actually maybe, a lesson from the universe. This time actually helped. As much as trying or as hurtful as it may have felt, this ending has actually made this Empress become the Empress. That was the reason for all this delay that's happened, I feel. So, Six of Pentacles, Spirit? Six of Pentacles. One more. Somebody is worried now. Somebody is worried now that this Empress has their guard up. I think they do want to come back and have equal give and take now, but I think now they're feeling that there is no chance for reconciliation. The choice has been made. This Empress has her guard up. Now there is a lot of burden, lot of depression because of this no communication that's happening between the two of you. There is somebody who's feeling a lot of regret, sorrow, looking back at the past, maybe guilt in not doing the right thing. And this could be this King of Cups in reverse, the person who emotionally probably manipulated this Empress and left them or didn't commit to them. So, Five of Cups, Spirit? Five of Cups. Yes, because they're getting blocked now. They're getting blocked. They do want to end this fight now, but they are getting some bad karma, I feel. Things are getting stalled in their life in a big way. Judgment in reverse is like the universe taking over, literally. Nothing is really working for this person, and they're going through a lot of blockages in their life. They do want to end this fight, though. King of Cups in reverse. King of Cups in reverse. Yes, this person did not commit. They did not commit. They are now recognizing what they did, that they never invested when the time was right. Now they do want. I don't think this person even fought for the connection when the time was right. They didn't make that choice, but they have now. Why am I getting that? I have a feeling this King of Cups is feeling that things have really stagnated. Everything is out in the open. My God, this person is feeling bound, chained, feeling demotivated, feeling sad, feeling depressed, everything possible because of this delay that's happening now in this connection. Yes, the Sun is in reverse. And they feel whatever games I've played have backfired on me. Somebody is feeling very embarrassed and ashamed of their actions. Very, very embarrassed and ashamed of what they've done. They feel everything that I did to my person, I'm the loser now. I'm the loser because I'm still getting the feeling this person has either now made a decision or wants to make a choice or a decision. But they may be feeling it's too late, or they've left it for too long. They've delayed it for too long. Right? So, yep. That's all I have for you, Cancer. Let's see what happens in the next read. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.